Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian Kelly here, and I wanted to do a really quick video on the one-page system. It's a new opportunity that I've started, and it's going really well. Made a sale yesterday, made a sale today. A real simple program. All you're doing is advertising a website, a one-page website. Person goes to it, opts in, and once they do that, the system takes over from there. And when you make a sale, you make $252.45. So it's that easy. It really is that easy. And I wanted to show you some proof here. So let me see here. Let me get my little pen. Now, let's see here. I'm trying to multitask, so please bear with me for a moment. Okay, so this sale, right? Let's see here. Okay, it says on the 16th, right there, 16th, November 16th, right? Yesterday. I'm Thrive Card. That's what we go through. I made a sale. That sale is $252. And then the next one is today, which is November the 17th. I'm recording this at like 3:17 p.m. Eastern time, but I got this. The sale actually came in to my email at 11:48 today Eastern time. Okay, and I'll just click right here, and I'll click the top one here. All right. So it'll show you exactly, okay, here. All right, see there? You just earned a commission on the sale, Brian Kelly. See there, 252.45 from the one-page system. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the actual, hold on a second here. Okay, now this is, as you can see, this is yesterday, which is November 16th. Um, Here it is, net commission. I'm sorry, gross commission and net commission 252.45. And then I'm going to click on this button right here. And I'm going to go to, let's see here, click on here and I'll go to today. All right. And then it goes back here and it shows 252.45. So that's two sales in 2 days. So that's a net of $504.90, which is pretty decent money for practically doing nothing. All right, so just want to do this really simple, quick video to show you guys what this is all about. If you want more information, then what I want you to do is go to this website right here. I'll put it in the comment section below. But go to that website right there. Take a look at the video and get started today. Guys, it's really simple. I've done a lot of different things. This is really simple, guys, because like I've said before, most people, when they go and they look at an opportunity, they don't normally, sometimes they do, but most time they don't. They normally don't buy the first time they see it. And then, if that doesn't happen, sometimes these people just forget about your opportunity because they get, life happens and things come up and they just forget about what you sent them, and they move on to something else or whatever the case may be. But with this program here, which I really like, is that they, once they opt in, they're going to get a message from your autoresponder every single day for 44 days, and it's a message that's going to point them back to your website. So every day for 44 days, they're going to get a reminder of what you're offering, and they're going to be sent back to your website. So that gives you a higher chance of making a sale. Okay, that's extremely important. Not only that, but all those messages that people opt into, those are your leads. They're not the company leads. Those are your leads. So if you want to advertise this program, whatever you're doing, you can advertise that program to your leads because you own the leads. All right, that's extremely important. As you guys know, there's like a little cliche. Was it the list? You got to build a list in order to make some real serious money on a long-term basis, and that is very true. All right, so I strongly suggest if you're interested, go to make252perday.com. Check it out. I'm sure you're gonna like what you see. Like I said, it's a very complete program. You got a lot of people, joining this program. Oh, it's not oversaturated like a lot of other stuff out there. But I've done a lot of different things. But this is a really from A to Z complete type of program that I think you're really gonna like. It's a one time. It costs a one time $297. There's no monthly fees, nothing like that at all. There's something similar out there that I think they charge like 19.95 a month. And I'm not knocking that, but I mean I don't. This is something that doesn't charge a monthly fee. This is a one time fee. Okay, so that's all you have to pay is $297 one time, and for that you're gonna get paid $252.45 for every single sale that you make. This is a totally automated system. Your number one objective is simply get people to look at your website, opt in, and once they opt in, your job is done. The automation takes over from there, sends them messages for the next 44 days, and the likelihood of you making a sale is very very high because the guy who created this system, very professional. He's a great marketer, and he knows what he's doing. And you definitely will make some sales, and you will make some money with this program. Making 252 per day, that's pretty good. I mean, worst case scenario, let's say for instance you only made 2-3 sales a month. That could put a serious dent into your car note or your credit card bills. Christmas is coming up, so you got to look at it from that perspective. I don't tell people you're gonna make $1 million a month. No, nothing like that. I want to be really honest with you, just really, really honest with you. But if you can make an extra $1,000 a month, I mean, think about that. $1,000 a month, what would that do for you and your family? Okay, let's be real about that. So an additional $1,000 a month, that is really, really big on top of what you're already doing. Okay, and again, I'm not asking you to go out and sell to people and pitch people and do hotel meetings, nothing like that at all. All you have to do, and we show you ways on how to do that, is to get the website in front of people, have them go opt in, and that is literally it. After they opt in, your job is over. Okay, simple as that. So again, go and take a look at this website, make252perday.com, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.